On Instagram, we are very limited with external links in posts. Hyperlinks are not active in the description of a post, unless it's in the description of an IGTV video when it's viewed like this. If we go back to the post itself, the link is no longer active. Frustrating when we want to send our audience to our website, blog, or YouTube video, but a smart move from Instagram to keep their audience on the platform. So you may opt to use the link in bio option to send your audience to a specific web page. However, in your Instagram bio, you can only have one link. This is where our link in bio tool comes in to allow us to send our audience to as many destinations as we like. But there are a few things that could be harming your click-through rates and overall success of your link in bio setup that we'll look at in just a moment. Check out the timestamps in the description of this video if you'd like to jump straight there, but right now we're going to have a brief look at the different kinds of link in bio tools available and what might be the best option for you. Number one is Linktr.ee. You can add as many links as you like, and with the free version, you can embed videos from YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Twitch, or Vimeo, and add a Spotify preview to link to music or a podcast. You can also add social icons so your audience can connect with you with all the other platforms you're on too. You get a customizable username that will appear as Linktree/your name that you put in the website section of your Instagram bio that will then appear like this. You can easily add links, edit the title and the URL destination, and turn them on and off if you only want them active at certain times. You can add images or icons to make them more visual. The Pro version is $6 a month, and that allows you to have a lot more customization and control over your theme and access to extra features like an email link, RSS feed link, and even link scheduling. Number two is Direct.me. Direct.me has a similar layout to Linktree, but it has a few extra features for free that Linktree has restricted to their Pro plan. In fact, you won't pay for Direct.me at all. All of their features are included, completely free, forever. For example, you can add an email button to send your potential clients straight to your inbox. People can follow you and get updates on your activity. You have a lot more customization control, so you can bring your Direct.me link in line with the rest of your branding. And just like Linktree, you can add social icons, embed media, and add as many different links as you like. And finally, there's Linkin.bio by Linktr.ee. The Linkin.bio layout is a little different. This platform organizes your links by using photos. So if you're a recipe blogger, a fashion blogger, or you sell products that you post photos on Instagram of, this might be a good option for you because your customers can easily recognize what they want based on the photo from your Instagram feed and go straight there. With the free version, you are limited to only linking 30 photos, which may be all you need as you might filter out your older posts, but the paid version also gives you access to Linktr.ee's larger array of features. As more of an all-in-one social growth platform, Linktr.ee allows you to plan and schedule posts, suggest hashtags, access stock images, and give you analytics all in the one place, as well as facilitate the Linkin.bio feature. I've added links to all these platforms in the description for you to explore yourself. Some tips for your Linktree, or your Direct.me, or Linkin.bio, or whichever one you choose. Make it as easy as possible for your audience to find what they're looking for. If your post says, check the link in my bio to watch my latest YouTube video, make sure that video is really obvious or it's right there embedded in your Linktree. I'll often go to profiles that say, find the link to this video in my bio, and they have a link for a YouTube page that will then take me to their channel homepage, and I have to search for the video that I'm looking for. The average person probably isn't going to put that much effort into watching your video unless they are really dedicated to viewing that content. One thing we know about human behavior, especially in regards to social media use, we have really short attention spans and a need for instant gratification. We want to create as little friction as possible to get our audience from A to B. Unless they are a die-hard fan, Most people will give up on visiting your video or your blog post, website, or potential sales page at the very first obstacle they encounter. Now, in terms of the way you structure your links, just because you can have an unlimited amount of links doesn't mean you should. If it's a new follower clicking on your Linkin.bio to see what you're all about, giving people too many options may cause them to feel overwhelmed and ultimately click on nothing. Also, put your most important offer first, the one that you want people to go for the most. And have a headline that makes it obvious, gets their attention, and wants them to find out more. If you talk about this offer all the time on your Instagram, which you should be, make the most of it and put it right front and center so your audience knows exactly where to get it. If it's hidden away under a tab that just says website, then that potential customer that really wants to work with you may get lost or distracted or not even think they're in the right place to get what they're looking for from you. Use your Linktree to direct people where you want them to go and make it as easy as possible to get them there. I hope this video has helped you set up your Linkin.bio for success and shown you some other options that can help you get eyes on your content. For more social media tips, check out this playlist and make sure you hit that subscribe button for more video training every week. Now get out there and make some videos. I'll see you next time.